takes one COVID-19 infected patient to transmit the disease to 400 others in a span of 30 days. That's something the Health Ministry has said. And it takes one person to forward a piece of fake, false, or misleading information and have it reach thousands of other people within a span of hours and create panic and wedge a communal divide that in no way helps us as a nation in the fight against this deadly contagion. Here are some viral videos and pieces of information that are fake or misleading that you need to be aware of now. Exhibit number 1 is that poster that's going viral on several social media websites that calls for a standing ovation for the Prime Minister on Sunday at 5 p.m. Origin of this poster has not been tracked down, but the PIB has said it's fake, and the Prime Minister's office itself has tweeted calling this appeal for people to give a standing ovation to the Prime Minister as perhaps mischievous at the outset, or even if it is made out of good intentions, then it's not what the Prime Minister wants. He's tweeted saying that if you actually want to show your gratitude to the nation or to the Prime Minister for his job, then it would be better if you supported a poor family through this hour of this grim hour that all of us are facing due to the COVID-19 lockdown. Through this 21-day period, if each of you who wanted to thank the Prime Minister for his work would just take the responsibility of one poor family, one needy family, and just see them through this grim time, that would be enough. Exhibit number 2 is the claim that restaurants have been ordered by the government to be shut by October the 15th. This is a false news that's spreading. The government has not made any such order. The PIB also itself has said that this is a false claim and it's a false order that's going viral. What has been done is that restaurants have been asked to shut their dine-in facilities for this 21-day lockdown period. However, they are allowed to serve food to people who have been stranded without any other means to feed themselves due to this sudden announcement of the lockdown. Also, they are allowed to operate their food delivery services, which are exempted from the 21-day lockdown period. They have been classified as essential services. So food delivery by restaurants and other eateries are permitted. Exhibit number 3 is this TikTok video that's going viral of about a 40-year-old Muslim man who's wiping his face and licking currency notes. So this video, because of this, the police in Nashik have traced down 4 youths and they have been taken into custody. This has been reported by DNA. Now, the origin, of course, that's not very clear about what the origin of this video is, but clearly it has been made with malicious intent. It has been made to wedge a communal divide, and that is very clear. What is wrong is to share this video further and create a sort of panic and create a divide within minds and divide within hearts of people and paint an entire community as the main spreaders of this disease. Before you share a message like this, you must ask yourself, whom are you aiding by forwarding that message? You're probably just helping these 4 men who are behind this video to actually propagate their video further. Their intention was to go viral and you're helping them. If you see such content, such malicious content that is clearly aimed at, creating panic, what you need to do is not forward it to your the people you interact with daily. You need to bring this to the notice of the authorities. Send this message, you contact the police, contact the authorities, and bring this to their notice so that such perpetrators of such horrible content can be tracked down immediately, and the content itself can be suspended from social media websites and that it can be curbed from spreading further. So that was all for today. If you have any suggestions or if you want any clarification from us on content you have found on the internet, do let us know on the comments below.